budding warehouse. Today I want to install irrigation system for a project, automatic irrigation system, and I like to show you how you can install it easy way in your backyard or in your garden. So if we are in section 25 irrigation part, and this is the range of the material we need. First, it's tap timers. Sometimes I'm using this one. This is the smart tap. Connect to your mobile, choosing the Wi-Fi and using the local weather from your mobile, and then it can be work smarter. But there is a difference. This is connected to the Bluetooth. Some work by the batteries. Now in this section I want to buy this one. It's a two section. I need one for one side and the other one for two section. We have four. We need four section. Each of these has a two section. Okay. And also I need to buy the battery for them because they don't have it.
And hope you have a great day.
So let's take a picture to remember what is it. Yeah, this is the two connection. Now we have to buy a connection for the tap. Have one of them connect to this, and the other one is free to attach the hose or any connection they wanted. Something like this, but this is the four. We need two for each of them. So because and this is all a sprinkler for the turf area. I don't want to do the irrigation for the turf area, just I'm doing for the gardens, for the plants. It's all in the lines, and for that we need a pipe. Let's take the pipe first and then choosing the connection. Okay, also I need this kind of the pipe, 20 meter length, and the size is 30 millimeter. 25, I think this is too much. Let's choose 10. If there is 10 meter, that's better. 25, 50, 25. Let me find it. The 25 one is the smallest, and it's cheap, $10.90. Also, we need the dripper lines. Okay, this is the drippers, 100 meter. Look in this pipe has a dripper in the, look at this, in the pipe. How weight is it? The size is 13 millimeter, 100 meter long. And the other way, showing how it will be connected to the system. This is it. This is 100. I think I need 100. 50 meter, it's maybe I choose 300. I choose 3, and then going to the connection. The pipe was 13 millimeter. Let's find the locking clamp for this. This is for 19 millimeter pipe. I think these are for 13 millimeter. Yeah, the section are different. Okay, now we need to this one, this connection, one, I choose one. Also we need this one, I choose one as well. And let's see what need more. Okay, if we have the caps or clips, clap. Let's find it. That one, no. The others. Okay, I find it. This is the claps. For the side, I choose, let's do two, because there is lots of connection to any connection need two. And also this one connect to the pipe to this is 30 millimeter connected to the tap. As you can see, we need two for each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look. So in the next section I'm looking for the tap, 2-section tap, if you can find it there, something like this. No. So guys, finally I find it. It's a Holman tap, 2-way tap. It's connected to the garden tap, one for the timer and one will be free for any hose or any usage. And also we need the batteries, 9 volt for the timers, one each. Now I'm going to pay this. I thinking it comes about $1,000. Let's see how it goes. See you in the job site. So guys, I'm coming to the job site. I'm starting to install the irrigation system. I take this off for now. Just attach the tap and the connection of this. We have two section for the two sides. I'm going one section for this two gardens, and also this part as well. Another and this is one section, and also another section, the pipe going all around the Moriah hedge to the top, and then in the top we have some plants as well. Now, before I check the water tap, because this is a Sydney water and it has a good pressure. Sometimes we have the rainwater tank, we need a pump, but this one has a good enough pressure. What I did, I need to connect the lines together. This is a 13mm pipe, it's coming there, but the three-way going under the next to the pavers, because when it's covered by the mulch, it's not heated by the foot because it's close to the pavers. Going to there, another one going all the way for these plants. What we need to do, we need to add the clamps next to hold each pipes, because this is a high pressure and take off. It is not have a clamps. Going, and then I continue that to attach to the pipe. Another will going in that section as well. I will attach them, and I use these steel pegs to hold the pipes in the place we want it. And then we continue. This is a simple one, it's not hard, you can do it in your garden as well. And then we set up the timer. The timer will work for the days, how many time watering, and how much time should be open and close. This is need to be set up, and the timer works. The other one I showed you in the Bunnings, it's a smart one. Connect to the mobile app, weather local app, and then decided if it's rain, it's not watering. It's not, it's watering more. Okay, let's continue and see how it's going. Now I want to test it, how it's work. Dripper working, it's full of water. I set up for the manual for 30 minutes to see if they work, any problem, damage. As you can see, it's water leaking down around the plants. And let's see, going to the end of the pipes, everyone working there. The connection, this is a bit far, it's working as well. If you can see, the water comes from the dripper. I think it's 4 liters per hour each dripper. And then that will come up to here. The other section we will connect to the other tab in top one. And also check this part. Yeah, it's working. You can see we have a good pressure. It's fill up the garden and enough for the plants. Also we have a mulch. Mulch will be cover the soil and stop the hitting the soil by the sun. And this one is working. It's not to be exactly in the inside of the plant. It's a bit around it, because the soil will catch the water and the roots going to where it's wet, and they can use the water. It's not has to be inside the branch or very close to the root. Around it, that's fine. guys, we testing the other section, showing in that one. This is a manual button, we can use it and set the time. 15 minutes left, I set it for 30. And this section going to the top, on top of the wall. I'm worried about that because we have a small pipe, 13 millimeter, and it's too long. Also, it's higher than the tap. I'm worried the pressure is not enough to cover all the area. But now we can check it through the line. It's working here, going more in two sections. Also the tap going that way to this and top, and then going to this garden. It's working, and all these plants, these parts.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build